my train is here, so it's nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, man.
I'll see you when I get back to Korea. It's always a pleasure to see you. Okay, are you, I'll talk to you in a couple days. You coming next Saturday?
I'll try.
Okay, well, we'll talk during the week anyways. Take care. I gotta get in this ramp. I hope I can make it to my transfer point. Now it's 11:35, and the subways in Seoul they shut down a little earlier on weekends. I don't really understand why. Oh, there's not a lot of people. I'm quite surprised. So yeah, I think it's important, and I just realized tonight that I should really start. I haven't made any videos for a while, so I should really start now. Make as many as I can before I leave, because Mike in Korea will no longer exist. I probably will never live here. I mean, I've lived here for almost 8 years, and about 10 years for total, but I probably won't live here like I lived here before. I'll be in transit between countries. Maybe I'll live in multiple countries and this will be one, but if I have the money, I will own a home here so I can come back here often. Now I just gotta hope and pray a little bit that my train makes it to Hongdae, Hongdae, and then I can get on the number 3 line, and then I go close enough to my home. If not, I can get out when the train stops and grab a taxi. So that's it. I'll talk to you soon. I'll make another video soon. I got a few things to do tomorrow, mostly packing. Have a wonderful evening from Seoul, Korea. June 13th at 11:37. Bye-bye.